Hello guys, welcome to AI Acceleration Program organized by Artec Africa. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, our focus for today's class is a content strategy. Now, under the content strategy, this is what we aim to achieve today. We want to look at social media plan, that is creating a 30 days content calendar. We'll be looking at post captions and hashtag research. And if you are just joining us for today's class, you're welcome. My name is Selena, your digital marketing strategist. And if you miss out on our previous classes, I will urge you to go back and watch the classes. Okay, so in order for us not to waste much of our time, let's understand what we are here to do today. What is a content strategy? A content strategy involves creating, publishing, and managing content in order to achieve business goals like brand awareness, website visits, or lead generation. Well, we can all agree that the world has gone digital. So in order for us to push out any product or services that we are selling, we have to be able to tell a story around these products. We have to be able to tell a story around what it is we are doing. So a story can be in form of a picture, a video, or whichever thing it is we want you to tell people that, okay, this is what I am doing. Now, a content strategy is you creating those things or those contents, those videos, those pictures and everything, and organizing them in a way in such that okay, this is when I want to post it. You have a plan for it, right? Your content strategy involves your plan. Okay, this is the plan. This is when I want this video to go out. This is when I want this picture to go out. This is how I want to pass out this information. So your content strategy makes up of everything that you're doing in order to achieve your business goal, like we mentioned, the brand awareness, the website visits, and the lead generation. So for the purpose of this class, like I said, our focus is on creating a social media plan. Now, what are we going to be using in order to achieve this? For the purpose of this class, we'll be using the Notion AI. Now, if you don't have a Notion AI, if you're not yet registered on Notion AI, just go to your Google Chrome and search for Notion AI. Then you select this first one, the Notion AI, the AI workspace that works for you. So in order not to waste our time, I will just show a simple video on how you can quickly sign up. Once you sign up, you should have your workspace, right? This is your Notion AI workspace. Now we'll be creating our 30 days social media plan. Now what do? You come to this theme space. Can we see this theme space? Then you click on add new. Now we'll be creating an empty database. So on this database, we'll name this our 30 days content plan. So let's do that right away. Right, we already have this 30 day social media plan. You can also add an icon to it. So let's add let's add this gift box. Now the first thing we want to do is, for the purpose of this social media plan, we'll be working with for the purpose of this class, we'll be working with a real estate. So what we'll do is we'll create a 30 days social media plan or content plan for a real estate brand, and we'll have everything written here on our Notion AI. Now for this, we'll be making use of ChatGPT and also the Notion AI in order to be able to craft a perfect content calendar. So what we want to do is, first we click on this name. So we'll have a content / copy, right? Then you press enter. Then you come to this hard property. We'll have content type. Okay, content type press enter again. Then you click on this plus. We'll have post dates when we want the post to go out. We click on this plus again. We'll have, let's have a hashtag, our hashtag text. Then what else do we need? Content copy. We have the content type, the post date. We have the hashtag text, right, for the purpose of this class. So what we'll do is, let's go to ChatGPT. So we would say create a 30 days social media plan for my real estate brand, comprising of videos, images, and graphics, both educational and promotional, right? Then why prioritizing the holidays available. So this content calendar, we are creating it for the month of March, available for the month of April. For the month of April. Also tips, trivias, and okay, so create a 30-day social media plan for my real estate brand, comprising of video, images, and graphics, both educational and promotional, while prioritizing the holidays available for the month of April. Also trivias, and let's say, what other thing do you think we can look at? Tips, trivias, and okay, tips and trivias. Let's say tips and trivias. Okay, now I have something. Tips, trivias, and insights into the real estate market. Okay, perfect. So ChatGPT has already told us, we've told ChatGPT this is what we want to do. Now ChatGPT has already broken down the content for us into how we can put it. So we have day 1, day 2, and so on and so forth. So let's go back to our Notion AI. So we'll start from April 1st, right? So let's just have this post dates. We have April 1st. Now we can say your home is your assets. This is the copy, right? Your home is your assets. Invest in it. So this is going to be the copy. Then happy new month. Right. Now the content type, we're going to have graphics as our content type. Then you press enter. Then a hashtag text. Now we can also go back to ChatGPT and tell it to generate hashtags for a real estate brand without generalizing, right? But why ensuring that the hashtags are widely used and searched for. Can you see? So the truth is, we have AI at our disposal. We have a whole lot of things that we can use to make our work easy. So we have hashtags based on location, we have investments focused, we have property type, diaspora targeting, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for the purpose of this class, let's use Lekki Real Estate and Lagos Real Estate for location base. Right, then we'll just do Nigerians and diasporas. Then the last one, we have, let me see which other one. We'll have let's look for one investment focus. Invest in Lagos. Perfect. Invest in Lagos. Okay, so we already have our day one for month of April. Now let's continue. So for April 2nd, let's see. We already use our ChatGPT to create our content. Now for April 2nd, we have 3 things to know before buying land in Lagos. Now, what are the 3 things that people should know? So we have that here. 3 things to know. This is our content. Okay, 3 things to know. So what are the 3 things people should prioritize? We can say location, right? You definitely need to fetch out your content. So location, you can say documents, and you can say like verify the company you are buying from or something, or verify if it's not a government land. Okay, so verify the company you are buying from. Okay, so what type of content do we want this to be? We could make this an animated graphics. So once we have it as a graphics, we'll just animate it right? The text comes in, the first one comes in, second one comes in, and so on and so forth, depending on the type of hard format you want to use it for. Okay, so when do we want to post it? Then we have animated graphics, then dates April 2nd, then hashtags. So for example, if you are using the same hashtag but for different kind of content, depending on the type of content you are pushing out, your hashtag might need to change. So let's say, for example, if you are pushing out tips, you can add tips about relay. Okay, this can be an animated video. Okay, so like that, you include it, right? Then you can also put a reminder, right, when you want it to remind you, maybe one day before the time, so it can remind you that we are supposed to post, and so on and so forth, right? So for each date, you can always add a reminder. Can you see there's already a reminder in front of this? So once it's 15th of April, you get a reminder that you are to post this particular content. Another thing you can do is you can also sync this to your Google Calendar. So to do that, just come back to your sidebar, then you click on this Notion calendar, right? So from this Notion calendar, you will see this connect your database. Just click on connect to database, right? Then once you click on it, you would see your content. Okay, I'm coming still. Okay, perfect. You see your content on this side. Can you see? This is the content we just created, the social media content. So you have everything here. You know the dates you're supposed to post them, the dates you're not supposed to post them. This is what you're supposed to post for April 1st. Can you see it? So by April 1st, you would get. So by April 1st, you will get a notification that you're supposed to post a particular content on a particular day, right? So this is basically how to create your calendar with Notion AI. Right, let me just go to April, so that's okay. Can you see? So this is it. The content we posted for, we talked about staff spotlights for 7th, for 8th, how to avoid real estate scam, and so on and so forth. So this is how to create your content calendar with Notion AI. Anyways, for the purpose of this class, I hope that you will go back and finish the content calendar, right? Finish the 30-day social media plan, like create a content calendar for your business that you will follow through with, okay, for the month of April, for the month of May, depending on when you want to make use of the content calendar, and stick to it. Do you understand? And stick to it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop it on WhatsApp, or you could also follow me on my Instagram page at Cellybrand and Celly_brand, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.